Hi, this is SDCTech-Casteeve is talking. I know we haven't sent you or we haven't uploaded video for a while, but today we are coming up with exciting experience that we got today during our shopping. And this experience here, it's a good thing, and I'm going to share with you. Stay with me. I am going to explain to you, show you the generosity of Vivo. Vivo 23e 5G. This is what we are talking about today. It's true, it was released 3 months ago. This was released 3 months ago, or 4 months. Let's say, yeah, technically 4 months ago. But this is still in the market, one of the top Vivo devices you will ever have. Today we are not going to talk about much specs or go into details or anything. The expression here is to show you our excitement of what came with this after we bought it here. Now, this Vivo here is 128 GB storage capacity. That's what we are talking about. The one we use, 128 GB storage capacity, and it comes in 3 different colors. We have gold, we have black, and blue. These are the colors that you can choose from them, and the colors are really good. I like the box, I like the package, and everything looks nice. Now, in there, it is 5 GB. We have 2 or dual SIM, and it is still capable of using SD card. And for that, we bought SD card 64 GB. Well, it was also on promotion, so we got lucky twice today. It was on promotion. Now, let's see what it's in Vivo 23 5G. Here is the device, and then this is how the gold looks. The cover came with it. Okay, now if you want to know, there was something that they tried to do, and I'm like, oh, I'm not responsible for that. What they did was they took a knife and they tried to scratch here, and I'm like, oh, I am not responsible for that. And it wasn't. This is really nice, and I was so happy to see that. And people, I'm telling you this, somebody who has used Vivo before, this is really durable, very durable. Dropping, no scratch, no cracking for almost 6 years. Never cracked. You know what I mean? If you have a kid in the house, I'm telling you. Okay, now in there we have our charger heads and the cable. They gave us a headset and a jack extension, meaning here you cannot put your ordinary earphone jack, so you need to use this in order to be able to use your jack phones devices. But as I said, it is good, no problem. Extraordinary things comes with it, so yes, that is it. And we have here a SIM ejector, so that comes with all the things that in Vivo. This is Vivo 23e 5G device here, and let me tell you something, this device worth it. It's not expensive, within a range of Samsung or iPhone, and it's not too cheap. It's within. If you're looking for something less than $500, yes, here, that is good. If you're looking for something higher than $200, yes, this device works well for you. And as I told you, 128 GB storage capacity. iPhone will never give you that, let alone giving you things that looks exciting as I am right now. So yes, today we are going to show you a lot more, and that is in our next video. Stay with us.